Hi guys, welcome to Happiness with Hema. I'm visiting here in Anjana's place today, and I happen to meet very beautiful, very cute, adorable couple. Stay tuned till the end. My brief meeting with this beautiful, adorable couple. In this vlog, we'll explore love, travel, and 50 plus years of marriage. So, my brief meeting with them. Okay, so over to them now. Hello.
Hello.
So first we will talk. What is your name? What is your name?
Ratna.
Huh?
Ratna.
Ratna. Ratna auntie, you are looking so pretty in sari. Let me first tell you, you are looking so beautiful. Okay. And what is your name?
Kasi.
Kashi. Kashi. Uncle Kashi, I love the way your beard is so well groomed, and I think the handsome guy in a beard. Really, I mean it. Because I'm watching from there. I said, wow, and I'm sure Ratna auntie, you agree. The beard really suits him. No, it itches you. Yeah, that's why. But he's really looking very well groomed.
Too big.
Too big. No, it's suiting him really. It's like it's glorifying his personality. Trust me. it's like he's maintaining it well. It's suiting his overall personality. Okay. Anyway, let's start with this. Ratna auntie, how old are you? First, tell me.
How do you think?
70 plus.
How much do you think?
For me, you are a sweet 16.
No.
For me, you are sweet 16 because I feel the girls never should grow
Over 70.
over 70. So sweet. But I was making you sweet 16, not 60. 16.
How can you think that?
I think because I feel every girl should not grow more than 16 from the heart. From age is like okay, that doesn't matter. So you are what precisely 70?
Plus 70.
70 old. 70 precisely or 71, 72?
Something like that. Yeah.
You don't want to tell.
75.
Oh, 75. Wow, you don't look like, trust me. And uncle, what about you?
80.
80. Oh, wow. And you are looking not at all 80 years old. Very younger. So tell me about that. I have heard my friend was telling that you have come all the way from UK to visit Singapore. Any special occasion?
Garden City Kingdom.
Oh, you want to see Garden by the Bay? Okay. Just that or something else also?
We went to Indian side and we saw the Indian temples and all.
Okay.
And we visited here this today.
Okay. Which all temples you have seen, auntie? Little
There is
India?
Lakshmi temple and Durga temple.
Okay.
And there are
Vishnu temple,
God.
Shiva temple. You have seen all that?
Yeah.
Good. Because me and my friend Suchi, we have gone to Shivratri day, which was on 26. We have gone and visited 3-4 temples to cover.
We went and
Murugan
I
temple.
got two
Murugan.
temples
Yes,
there.
Murugan temple. So I'll be showing that vlog also. Maybe when you will subscribe my channel, you can see that. I'm showing that what all. Because many activities was happening in 26. Yeah. So you came all the way to see Singapore. This is your first time in Singapore?
Wait before.
You came before also. Okay, then you are well versed of this place.
Not well versed, but just a little bit.
Okay. So, how many years back you have visited? So it's a 2 years after 2 years back gap. Because Singapore every year something new they introduce and all that.
Changes.
Yes.
We can't go all over everywhere.
Yes.
Each time we go somewhere or something.
Yes. Some places you go. And any special occasion that you are here or just in holiday?
Shivratri.
You were here for Shivratri.
Just after Shivratri.
Just after Shivratri you came here. I wish I knew you before that, because in Singapore, what happened is few of my friends, they have gone in a one bus. So they go and that bus takes them to all around 20-30 temples. Whole night that bus goes and they go stop, do puja, and then they come inside the bus and they go to the next temple. So this kind of a hop in, hop out in one bus. So they organize this kind of a stuff, in Singapore. So maybe next time you can plan out something like that, right? Anything else you want to share, uncle?
Anything, what do you want, anything?
I want to know, how many years you have been married?
40
What do you
plus.
think?
40 plus. Uncle told me 40 plus.
60.
60? Wow! Golden Jubilee done. Huh?
Not
High
60.
five. Then Uncle, remember the date now. She said 60. Then,
Can't be, your age is 70. How can it be 60?
when you were married, let's calculate.
60th anniversary, I said wedding. She's asking wedding anniversary.
No,
60,
how many
yes,
years? I'm asking how many years you are married.
That's what I'm saying.
60 years. Okay. So when you were married, how old were you when you were married? You were,
60 means you can think, you can
Acha, you were 16-year-old.
18.
You were 18. Then it should be around maybe
50 plus.
50 plus. Not 60 yet. Not 60 yet.
45.
Because say if you are 75-year-old, right? Then you were 18 when you married.
Minus,
18.
yeah.
So minus that, you know. So even I am very bad in maths, but 50 something. Let's
Yeah.
keep it 50 something. So you have done your golden jubilee where?
Yeah.
Where you have done celebrated your golden jubilee?
In UK. And,
UK only. You should have come that time here, right?
we are not that show off or anything. We
No,
just simply,
show off.
Simply we did it because children are all there.
Okay. I remember my 25th anniversary, my husband taken me to Kashmir and it was a surprise. But my wish was that I wanted to remarry in front of the, fire, like, and all the relatives coming. So it's like a reliving the
We did all
marriage.
those things.
No, I wanted, but then we have gone to Kashmir. So, great knowing you. It was really pleasure. And I wish you all the best. Enjoy your trip. Garden by the Bay is going to be really nice. Thank you, Uncle, Auntie, and enjoy your trip to Garden by the Bay and back your place. And thank you for lovely
Remember us.
interview.
Remember
Yes,
us always.
definitely. So can you also? They
Very good.
after like 1 hour they managed to give you. That's like we'll complain to the owner
Tasty food.
because I know the food is good, right? Food is really good because we have endorsed this place. As I told you, I'm a influencer. We have marketed endorsed this place because it's really good. The owner is very nice, but we have to tell them the service part.
Items are nice.
You didn't have tea.
Yeah, we do. It's okay.
Okay. So which is the favorite dish you liked in this?
You know, most of them are nice.
All nice. How about you, uncle? Which was
I
the
think there was yellow one.
yellow dal? You finished that, okay. Sambar? It was a sambar or masoor dal?
Ladies finger one.
Yellow one.
Ladies
Yellow
finger
dal.
with yogurt.
Okay. That one you like. It's a curry. It's a curry, right? Hai na? Good.
Not bad.
It is good. So normally you go and eat vegetarian only? Do you find any difficulty in Singapore? Finding non-veg, the vegetarian, no. You get good.
And easy. Okay. No problem.
Have you tried in a local
Yeah. Food
hawker
court.
stocks, food courts? Because they also have a very good variety. But only you have to tell them it's a vegetarian for us, because
Better like a restaurant like this.
okay. That's better. Because in the hawker centers, they use the same spoon, for the egg curry and the fish curry. So sometimes we tell them, don't do that. Vegetarians means no fish, no, not even spoon touching. So we have to tell them that.
Good ambience.
Ambience so here. Yeah.
Self-service all like that. Self-service.
Ah.
Self-service all like that. They will put their own.
Yeah.
So they
yeah.
will mix it. They won't
Mix it.
bother.
Yeah. Okay. So in UK, the weather is very cold, right? So here,
At the moment, yeah, it's cold.
Here is not better. So bad. It's nice and pleasant.
here too, it's very
You thought it
Here,
was
it's whole year it's like that. Yeah, in Singapore, whole year it's like that. Like even I think Mumbai. Have you been to Mumbai or Bangalore? So like there, Mumbai, you never find winters, right? So in Singapore also
Yes, I
you.
know. Very hot there.
Yeah, here also you don't find winters.
Tropical.
It's a tropical, so whole year the same season. Chalo, you enjoy your food? So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Do let me know if you want to see more such interactions. Thank you for watching.